I propose to reduce income tax for smaller companies with an annual turnover up to 50 crores to 25%. तो जितनी भी कंपनीज 50 करोड़ तक की टर्नओवर है उनका 5% टैक्स कम किया जाएगा. As per the data of assessment year 2015-16, there are 6.94 lakh companies filing returns, out of which 6.67 lakh companies fall in this category. Therefore, percentage-wise, 96% of India's companies will get the benefit of this lower taxation. This will make our MSME sector more competitive as compared to larger companies. The revenue foregone in this measure is expected to be 7,200 crore per annum. In order to give a boost to the banking sector, I propose to increase allowable provisions of non-performing assets from 7.5% to 8.5%. This will reduce the tax liability of banks. I also propose to tax interest receivable on actual receipts instead of accrual basis in respect of NPA accounts of all non-scheduled banks. Cooperative banks also at par with scheduled banks. This will remove hardship of having to pay tax even when interest income is not realized. Considering the wide range of the LNG as a fuel as well as a feedstock for petrochemical sector, I propose to reduce the basic customs duty on LNG from 5% to 2.5%. In order to incentivize domestic value addition and promote Make in India, I propose to make changes in the custom and central excise duties in respect of certain items which are given in the annexure of my speech. Some of the problems addressing the issue of duty inversion. There are promoting digital economy. There is a scheme of presumptive taxation for small and medium taxpayers whose turnover is up to rupees 2 crores. At present, 8% of their turnover is counted as presumptive income. I propose to make this 6% in respect of a turnover which is received by non-cash means. The benefits will also be applicable for transactions undertaken in the current year also. I propose to limit the cash expenditure allowable as deduction both for revenue as well as capital expenditure to 10,000 rupees. Similarly, the limit of cash donation which can be received by a charitable trust is being reduced from rupees 10,000 to 2,000. The special investigating team set up by the government for black money has suggested no transaction above 5 lakhs, The special investigative team set up by the government for black money has suggested that no transaction above rupees 3 lakhs should be permitted in cash. The government has decided to accept this suggestion. Suitable amendment in the Income Tax Act is proposed in the finance bill for enforcing this decision. To promote cashless transaction, I propose to exempt BCD excise duties, CV duty, SAD on miniaturized POS card readers, and MPOS micro ATM standards for version 1.5.1, fingerprint readers, scanners, and iris scanners. Simultaneously, I propose to exempt parts of components of manufacture for such devices so as to encourage the domestic manufacturing of these items.